As I wrap up, what do we learn from all these crazy decisions? And I have many crazy decisions that I've made. You're where you are because of the series of decisions that you have made for a very long time, since you were born. You're where you are because of the series of decisions that you have made until today. Even coming here was a decision. And as I speak here, someone's life is being changed. Someone's life is at an inflection point because I may have said just one word, that's all they needed to hear. But that success will come because they made a decision to come here. So, my challenge to you, are you sitting on any bold decisions? Are you sitting on any crazy decisions? And I want to unpack it into 3. Are there any decisions in your life that you're delaying? Have you been saying you want to invest in something and you're still mark timing? Are there decisions that could potentially change your life and you're still dilly-dallying on them? There's something we say at the group. We call it's part of our culture. We have golden rules, and this is one of the golden rules. It says, a bad decision is better than indecision. A bad decision is better than indecision. So, are you delaying any decision that could change your life and change the lives of many people? I challenge you on that one. Number 2, have you refused to face any bad decision that you've made in the life, in the past? Is there any bad decision, bad investment decision? When you get there, you just close your eyes. You don't want to see it. I challenge you today, don't let the sun go down before making that decision. If it is a bad decision, make an exit decision. It can only be corrected by another decision. Okay? The third one, all your good decisions, they will not be permanently good decisions. Review them. Things change. Things change. In investment, we talk about opportunity costs, meaning there are other better and better opportunities that are coming up every day. So a good decision yesterday is not necessarily a good decision tomorrow. There are people who went into coal business and made a lot of money. If they are still in coal business, they have lost all the money they ever made. True? So review your good decisions. And if you want to hear more from us, go to our YouTube channel. That's my call to action number 4. Nabo Capital, invest in Africa. You'll subscribe there. We have a video that comes out every day because we want to democratize investment. Investment is not for the rich. Investment is a survival skill for everybody. It doesn't matter if you're an engineer, if you're a doctor, if you are a watchman. The only thing that will eventually happen, you will do well in life because of the investment decisions that you will make out of your current job. We go to work not to meet bills, but to accumulate capital. We go to work to accumulate capital so that we can make decisions. And Waithaka said something that resonated with me. It is not your pension plan that will secure your future. It is the lifestyle plan that you have today that will secure your future. In fact, the average lifespan in Africa today for the ladies is 64. For the men is 62. The retirement age for you to start accessing your pension plan is 65, meaning many people will never see it. If you're waiting for pension, your pension might benefit your children and other people, but not you. So start now. And I want to leave you with these words from Bill Gates. Bill Gates said, if you were born poor, it is not your mistake. But if you die poor, it is your mistake. Thank you very much.